And so you and I have just recently gone through a process that I've put together for women to try and help them, realign is the word I like to use, realign or reinvent or reconnect to, that thing that you want to contribute, that you've probably known throughout your life because it would have shown up in different little patterns. So we've just gone through that process, and I just want you to, tell our audience a little bit about that and what was most valuable about that realignment process that we've just completed.
Oh boy. Oh, Wendy, it was so fabulous. So first of all, the number one thing that I absolutely love about your process, which makes it way different from anything I've ever seen, it is like career coach, life coach, guide, just like holistic health coach all together. It's like all together. There's this, you have the foundation, to me, is the most important part. So you have this process where you start in the beginning, where you help me mine my story. And I absolutely loved it. What I loved most about it is that it made me think about the themes in my life, the themes. And sometimes when we have things happen in our lives, we see them as almost little clips or pictures or little snapshots. But what we don't see is the theme. And so what you did is you asked really powerful questions, thought-provoking questions that then allowed you to look at it and thread a theme together and say, oh, Asia, you know what? You've been doing this for so long and not thinking about it. But one of the things you're doing is, cooking is a big theme for you. Nutrition's a big theme for you. Being a good listener and coaching women. So those pieces, you help us weave together the stories of our lives just by mining our story. And I love that you call it mining, because for people who struggle with getting to the heart of what it is that they offer in their second act, in their next adventure, as I love to call it.
Yes.
You do that so effortlessly by asking the right kinds of questions. And so what I love is that when I saw it, I looked at the worksheet and I said, okay, I'm going to think on it. I'm just going to give myself 24 hours. I'm going to get a great night's sleep, and I'm going to get up tomorrow morning with a cup of coffee and go straight to it. And it was fabulous, because I thought, oh my God, I didn't even think about it. There were so many light bulb moments and aha moments from doing that. So I will say the number one piece of your process, that foundational piece, I think it set the stage for all the pieces that came later. Helping to rewrite the resume, you creating the resume. There was no rewriting. You did it. I mean, it was custom. It was it was from the beginning, from the LinkedIn profile, all of those pieces, but you had the base from the mining your story. So I thought the fact that you start there was powerful.
Yeah, it's interesting that you named that. It is, for me, it's an absolute non-negotiable.